What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into some Hbar talk. We're going to be talking about some Hedera, some Hashgraph, all that good stuff as we kick off the week. It's something where there's a lot of crazy good updates. It's been kind of a mixed bag when we talk about the charts. Down about 3.5% as I'm currently recording for Hbar. We'll briefly look at that, and then I'll get you guys on your way. Before we get into it, though, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, we do talk Hedera a lot here on the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, and please smash that like button and turn on notifications. So let's hit it. Let's talk about it, because now the thought of 200% gains are coming into the question. This is coming out from the Coin Republic with a lot of optimistic updates coming out for Hbar. So let's hit it. But first, please remember, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel. And you can see that the day has since kind of turned around a little bit. We were, for the most part, all red. Some cryptos have rebounded and are now showing some signs into the green. As we look at Hbar, pull up their chart, like I said, 3.5%. It's been kind of volatile here in the month of June. Crazy stuff. I think that the bullishness with Hbar that we've had is kind of, unfortunately, being overshadowed by the rest of the crypto market. And kind of the success that they've been having with their developments haven't really been appreciated due to the fact that the rest of the crypto market is down and kind of bringing everybody along for the ride. So let's get back into some Hbar talk. Currently at that 7461 level on the charts, but still very positive on the year, up 43+%. Okay, but these are some of the optimistic updates that are coming along. Okay, there's three big ones. All right, low liquidity, but there's potential for significant price surges. Also, the partnership between Hbar, the MBA in the Nordics, that can enhance the Hbar user friendliness and market value. The Hbar price testing the support for third times, indicating that the historical pattern right here has the potential for more of a 200% surge. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Right now, the Hashgraph network has 71.52% of its total coins in supply that are in circulation. Almost a $3 billion market cap. And as we look further into what's going on, this is where we've seen a lot of bullish momentum at a strong support level at that 0.45 mark. It's at 0.74 mark, so still up from those levels from October of last year. So a very good run. It's something where I think a lot of people are happy that they got into Hbar last year. Myself, it's one where I do think it has the potential to be a sleeping giant. Obviously, those are just my kind of impressions and my sentiment. So make sure you guys all do your own research and due diligence. All right. But a lot of people having 100 to 150% gains. But now why we have this optimism? Well, this is coming out from, I believe it's Tomb Technologies. There's two U's in that, so forgive me if that's not how you pronounce it. But what we've seen is, okay, the integration for the Hedera smart contract service within MetaMask via Snaps. That's a huge integration that will allow for a better accountability or accessibility, interoperability, and just functionally doing better for the network and on that platform. So that's a huge kind of step forward. Also, joining that Nordic block within the DLT in the Nordics, that's another one that, like we talked about a little bit earlier, just enhancing kind of more availability within the region. Okay. Just becoming more readily available, and that interoperability is really key. So we have that, the NBA, the Nordic Blockchain Association, like we talked about, integrating that DLT adoption within the Nordic region. So I know it's kind of probably not where you guys are from and really not pertinent, but it's still just putting in perspective a lot of expanding their footprint. Okay. Also, within that partnership, there's another little aspect to go over, because right now, from a technical standpoint, there's been a lot of mixed signals. We've talked about some of the metrics that you follow, right? The MACD, the RSI, those are a little bit kind of contrarian in a way. MACD is showing a bearish cross. The RSI is showing oversold, but it's also looking into the as it's looking to turn more so in the overbought territory. And that's kind of where these recent days where Hbar has been trading, it's kind of been a mixed bag, but showing more signs of optimism. Okay, so according to the TA and some of the numbers that we have to go off of, that's kind of where you can couple all these together and look at, some of the historical numbers where we look back into times where HBAR was able to make that 100%, 150% push, okay? So testing that support level for the third time, that's going to be huge because, like I said, if we can hit that historical pattern, that's where they were able to achieve over a 200% gain just with everything kind of being the same, just a different time. All right. So appreciate you guys watching. That's kind of my HBAR update. We'll see what happens. I definitely think one day HBAR will be a well over a $1 crypto. Well over a 10 cents crypto, which is a lot of upside from where we're at right now at that 0.7519 mark. The all-time high at around kind of that 50 cents mark really paves the way for having a lot of room for recovery. And if you look at the all-time chart, guys, it's kind of important to put all that bullishness together because back in 2021, where it was a bull cycle, that is a firm run where we could have, well over 500-600% gains to get back to all-time highs, which I think that can happen. I really, truly do. All right. But nobody has a crystal ball in crypto. That's just my kind of opinion. Always do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. But I just wanted to share my thoughts as well as that report that HBAR could be looking at a 200% gain very, very shortly. So appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet done so, make sure you guys all hit that subscribe button on your way out. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.